content of your character is your choice. Day by day, what you choose, what you think, and what you do is who you become. Abundance of knowledge does not teach men to be wise. Big results require big ambitions. Because it is so unbelievable, the truth often escapes being known. If you do not expect the unexpected, you will not recognize it when it arrives. Nothing is, everything is becoming. Those who approach life like a child playing a game, moving and pushing pieces, possess the power of kings. The world is nothing but a great desire to live and a great dissatisfaction with living. To get everything you want is not a good thing. Disease makes health seem sweet. Hunger leads to the appreciation of being full-fed. Tiredness creates the enjoyment of resting. All things come into being by conflict of opposites. The only constant in life is change. Time is a game played beautifully by children. Everything flows and nothing stays. Character is destiny. Much learning does not teach understanding. The road up and the road down is one and the same. You cannot step twice into the same river, for other waters are continually flowing in. The waking have one common world, but the sleeping turn aside each into a world of his own. The soul is dyed with the color of its thoughts. Good character is not formed in a week or a month. It is created little by little, day by day. Protracted and patient effort is needed to develop good character. The hidden harmony is better than the obvious. Dogs bark at what they do not know. It is in changing that things find purpose. To do the same thing over and over again is not only boredom, it is to be controlled by, rather than to control what you do. The way of the soul is upward. Those who love wisdom must investigate many things. Everything has two handles, the one by which it may be carried, the other by which it cannot. It is hard to fight with desire, but to deny it completely is a sign of a weak spirit. Much that is excellent is difficult, and for the highest things the utmost diligence is required. Man's character is his fate. If you do not expect the unexpected, you will not find it. I'm grateful for the moments shared in discourse. May our paths cross again in the fullness of time.